again to my YouTube channel. My name is Damilola. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with us how to go about this Zara scarf. Okay, so it is officially known as Hausa scarf as well. So if this sounds like something you want to know, kindly please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So guys, without wasting much time, let's dive right into the video. So first thing first, guys, when you want to tie your Zara scarf, you're going to be needing your African print, that is your scarf, then this paper, right? And there are some other ways you can use it without paper, okay? And that way is when you have a lot of fabric, okay, a lot of scarf. That is, you're going to be needing about 1 yard of the scarf so that you can be able to fold it in form of a triangle, okay? But since my own is not up to even 1 yard and the wideness is not that much, I'll be making use of this. All right, so guys, number one style I'm going to be teaching us is the one I'm showing you on my screen right now. Okay, so to do this part actually depends on you, how wide you want it to be on your head. As you can see, this is how I want to place it. Okay, this is how wide I want it to be on my head, and this actually depends on you if you want it to be longer than this or even shorter than this. All right, so when you want to do this, make sure this is our fabric right here. Okay, this is our fabric right here. All right, so when you want to do this, make sure that it is on your wrong side. You're going to be placing your your paper on your wrong side of the fabric. Okay, and when you want to put it inside, make sure one side is longer than the other side. So I'm going to be doing this right now. As you see me do, I'm going to be placing this on my chest so that you can see. All right, so make sure that the way you are folding it, you have about 1 inch up here, okay, so that you can use it to fold it like so. Okay, then I'm going to do it like so again. Right, go ahead and do it like so. And mind the way you want to tie a scarf, make sure you have a mirror. Okay, so then I'm just going to go ahead. Remember, this is our wrong side. Okay, so this is our right side, so you can't just place your scarf on the wrong side because you're tying a scarf. No, you just have to twist your hand the way you see me do, like this. Then you bend your head, then you place it like so, close to your high bra. Okay, so you placing it like this, you can't just leave it like this, so you have to do it like so first. Bring this one to the back, then you bring your hand here again. Okay, so then after that, so you're just going to tuck in your hand here. All right, then you put it like so, tuck it inwards a little bit, then you put it like so. All right, then you are going to tie the scarf here. Okay, I'm going to be showing this. So that is it. So guys, when you want to tie your scarf, make sure it's tucking around this point. Okay, so then this remaining part, I'm going to be tucking it inward. Right, it is excess, I don't need it. So this is it right here. So this is the other part. We can also leave it like this. I'm just going to roll them out like so. Okay, go ahead and roll it like so. Then you place it on it like this. So this is the end of the longer part. Then you're going to put it inward like so. And trust me, this cannot remove. So this is the end result of this. So the number two I'm going to be sharing with us is this Zara scarf, but we're not going to be starting all over again. Okay, I'm just going to remove these longer parts. Okay, go ahead and remove these longer parts, as you can see. So after removing it, just go ahead and properly fold this into the right side. Okay, make sure it is on the right side, and this actually depends on how wide you want this to actually be as well. Then you're going to twist it inward like so. Make sure like these parts, like the folded part, is inward. Then you're going to place it right around it like so. Okay, then you tuck it in again. So guys, this is the second look. Then when you notice any excess, just go ahead and tuck it in. So this is the second look. I hope you guys are liking this scarf already, because me already, I'm already falling in love. Just that I don't have any outing to go, right? So guys, leaving your Zara scarf still as this, as you can see. So we are going to be removing the longer parts as well, right? Just go ahead and remove the longer parts. Okay, you can go ahead and decide to go this way. So I'm going to be going this way alone. Okay, I'm just going to roll these parts, and remember, if you are doing a braid, because I'm actually putting my my wig cap on it. So you can just go ahead and roll it like this. Okay, you roll it this way, then you tuck it in like this. Okay, so this is it right here. Alright, so you tuck it in like this. So we are going to be going with just only this look. So guys, you're still leaving it like this. Okay, I'm just going to be removing the longer parts only. Okay, I'll be removing the longer parts only. Then I'm just going to be crossing it like so. Okay, in form of a V, right? So just watch me the way I'll be doing. So this is it right here. Just go ahead and properly lay your the leftover. Then you place it like a V, right? Place it like a V. Okay. Don't let it last to this very end. Okay. Place it like a V. Okay. So this is it right here. Then go ahead and tuck it in as well. So guys, this is the look. Like I said, if you notice any excess, go ahead and tuck it in. Okay. So guys, this will be the end of the video and I hope you have learned one or two in this tutorial. If this was helpful to you, kindly please don't forget to subscribe or hit on the notification bell, then share with your friends and family that is into fashion. Then I'll be saying goodbye for years. See you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye.